why don't we get going with a conversation about why intercultural communication matters. Now, the first thing that I want to say is sometimes with this topic, people see the word intercultural communication and they will think of CEOs for multinational companies, needing to have a sort of global awareness of communication skills and skills to be able to communicate across different cultural contexts transnationally. But what I always like to kind of emphasize is, as I say on this slide, that we are actually all communicating between different cultural contexts every day. And so it's not just CEOs of multinational companies who need these skills. We all need these skills. And it's important to remember that communication has a huge impact on our organizational culture, and that these intercultural communication skills are absolutely essential to any organization that cares about its people, is a people-first organization, and that if we really want to learn and grow, it's absolutely essential to communicate across difference. This is something that I always talk about in my DEIB work. It's one of the best and most effective ways that we can do this work, is committing to building relationships and connections with folks who are different from us, just in that very simple, basic way. But unless we have strong intercultural communication skills, we can't connect across differences in ways that will be productive and also mitigate harm, which can happen when missteps or misunderstandings occur.